Primetime news this evening. Alga Jamaica meeting descends into chaos. We are ready. Prime Minister says the country is prepared to welcome deportees. And a policeman accused of unfairly targeting farmer.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome if you're watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands or online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I'm Kelisha Williams with a preview of what's to come in the financial week. Here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Kelisha, Tropical Mobility, a majority-owned subsidiary of Tropical Battery Company, has signed a memorandum of understanding with Elesco to accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles. I'll give you the details later on in the financial week.
And to tell us what's to come in sports, here's Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Giovanni. Well, let's head to the Eric Bell Tennis Center, where on Saturday, Jamaica will be taking on New Zealand in the Davis Cup World Group 2 playoffs. Lots of exciting action there. So we'll tell you about that and more a bit later on.
And Romania is also here with what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Kelisha. Now, there is an intensifying high pressure ridge across the central Caribbean, and this means we do have stronger winds in the forecast for both offshore areas as well as inshore areas, particularly off the north coast.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on today's incident at the Association of Local Government Authorities of Jamaica, Alga J meeting?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.